back. We're doing our date night each week, and this week we're doing with Andy for his wife.
Well, I'm shooting for a third kid.
No, he's not.
Really? No, yeah, like a boy this time? I don't know. We need to slice some chicken to start off. Standard size. So we'll use them for the pad thai, and then we're going to do the cashew chicken with them as well. We got some prawns. So for the pad thai, we got some rice paper noodles or rice in warm water, and you just let it soak. What it'll do is just soften them up, and that's what you need to do. You don't need to boil them like pasta or anything else. They just sit in there and they'll be fine. But you need to do that at the start to get them ready. We're cheating, so we have a Thai curry paste, but like I said, 2 episodes which is live, which is on our Facebook page. Scroll down, you'll find that Frank and I do a Thai curry, a green curry, and we make fresh Thai curry paste. Since then, it's been about 2 weeks. I've used it also. We'll try out using a Thai curry paste, and this is really good. The noodles are softening.
Mm-hmm.
That is fine. Like, you wouldn't be able to eat that right now.
Yeah.
Rubbery, but it's softening. Anyway, so we got our wok here. So we got our chicken. We got our spice,
Curry paste.
So I'm going to throw some cashews in there. Got some oyster sauce. Got some soy.
Does look good.
Some fish sauce. You can use some palm sugar if you have some lemon juice. So the thing about Thai food is really hard to explain in the sense that it just has that balance of all those flavours, all those of the sour, the salt, the sweet, the pungent. It's almost impossible to explain. It's just something that you got to play with. Flavour and the strength is all in the stock. So you don't need to make it complex. It doesn't require too much complicated difficulty. Good food just requires a lot of all the really simple stuff done well.
That looks awesome.
2 comments. We're down to 3. 3 positive comments.
I didn't hear you the first time because I was ignoring you.
True. That's true, but it's
That
true.
looks so good.
Okay, that's that one. And now
It's so quick.
yes. Lemon juice on that one. Alright. That is a good block.
It is, isn't it? We waited 10 years to use it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that a wedding present?
Yeah. And Miranda and Hugh took
Well done, man. Curry paste.
We've got some garlic. You want some garlic?
I'm going to put a bit of
of water.
stock on tap. Some sauce. So I put a bit of water in there. Or normally you can use some stock to get some liquid in there. We want a fair bit of liquid in there, so that way we can get the noodles to absorb. And this is where the magic happens.
They're like postage stamps. Oh no, what were they meant to be?
So all you have to do is just keep cooking it until those noodles start to soften. Good sauce. Yeah, this is so cool. I come up with this idea.
Yep.
And he goes, oh, do you realise why no one's come up with this idea before? And I'm thinking, Charlie, because I'm a genius. And he goes, no, it's because it's a stupid idea. There's a lot of stress involved, so they do tend to get a bit emotionally aggressive. But there is a lot going on. Yeah.
That
There we
looks
go. We'll put a bit
amazing.
of garnish. Squeeze it on, like do it with style. Don't just do it. Well,
Oh, hang on. Oh, sushi.
yeah. Lime.
Looks
So-
so good. Hi, Chloe.
High five, man.
Do you want to go on those and sandwich?
So also, I have a free book that you can just download. It's in the on the comments at the start. It shows you all the little tricks that chefs use to make your home cooking easier. Because I know home cooking can be stressful, can be difficult. It's very time consuming. It gets really confusing. But you know, like you try and do new recipes. To be honest, I've seen so many recipes, and a lot of times they're wrong. Because they're not right because you know they're done by somebody who's just kind of put something together and at home who hasn't really cooked or even trialed it out that well. So it's not easy, but there are lots of tricks, and once you understand basic principles of cooking, it's actually really easy. You don't need to follow a recipe, so to speak. You just know your proteins, your flavours, and your basic presentation. There's only three things you need to worry about: is your preparation, your cooking, and your service, and that's it. It's really simple once you understand the foundations of it. When you understand the foundations, food is all pretty much